Good morning and welcome to Thursday, and our focus now moves to time. Please go to page 54 in your CGP. Got it ready? Right. Okay, we're going to be thinking about the little hand, big hands and digital clocks. So let's think about that little hand first of all. As you can see in your books, the message tells you the little hand shows the hours. Okay, the number closest to the little hand is the hour, and there are 24 hours in a day. The hour here in our example is 6. Okay. The big hand, however, shows minutes. Okay. And there are 60 minutes in an hour. Here we start at o'clock. The red numbers are the minutes past the hour. Okay. The minutes past the hour, and in red in this example here. Okay. O'clock to start. Quarter past, again, think about the 15, quarters, it all comes together, children. It all starts to link in. Quarter past is a quarter. You can physically see a quarter, a quarter, a quarter. Lovely jubbly. In the example here, we can see what time is it? 6:15. Okay, 15 minutes past the hour, 6:15. Down here, we get to good old past. Now, the green numbers, however, the green numbers are the minutes to the hour, okay? Another way of saying it, if you don't want to say 6:35, going what the minutes are, which we know with our 5 times table, you can begin to say the minutes to the hour, okay? And you can see the numbers going there, going round, going round. Here the example is, it's 20 to 5, okay? 20 to 5, 20 minutes until it's 5 o'clock, 20 minutes to go before you get to the 12, okay, back to 0, etc. And again, you've got past down here, 1:45, and then so on and so on. Back to the clock, and then it starts again, okay? Digital clocks show minutes past, okay? 3:20, 20 past 3, 8:15, 8:15, 1:30, 1:30. 45 past is the same as 2:45 the next hour. Okay, 2:45, 15 minutes until it's 3 o'clock. You'll get used to that language as we continue to think about time. Okay, now remember this page is here to help you if you need it, especially to answer your questions. But I'm also bringing your attention back to the good old times tables when they were covered a couple of weeks ago, okay, because you use a clock face to help you with that 5 times table. You can see there, okay, 1 times 5 is 5, 2 times 5 is 10, and so on and so on, okay. 6 times 5 is 30, goodness rise, I'm thinking about the 12, and then 12 times 5 is 60. It all comes in handy, it really does, as you begin to think about time and think about the good old 5 times table that went with it. That was a couple of weeks ago, we did it on a Tuesday. If you want to refer back to it, it's page 28, but you don't have to, okay, it's just there if you need it. Let's think about our tasks for today, okay. You're thinking about your clocks, okay? Match the clocks to the right time. So think about what the times are saying. 1:45, 5 past 6, 25 to 5, 10 past 10, okay? Which clocks look as though they're going to match that? If you need to borrow this clock to help you, please do so, all right? It's there to help remind you of ideas to answer those questions. Oh, hands now. Can you draw the hands on the clock faces to show the right time? Can you show the hands to show 10 past 8? Can you show the hands to do 20 to 3? Remember the examples already here. That might help you with that if you need it, because they are shaded. Number 1 is pretty straightforward, but these 2 are a little bit trickier. So do take your time and use what's around you to help you. And finally, question 3, what times are shown on digital clocks below? Okay, so you've got the digital, so what are they in words? 6:25, 25 past 6, okay? Remember, digital clocks, minutes past. The digital clock shows the minutes past, the hour, okay? So feel free to get on with those tasks. Feel free to pause the video here, or you could just be using your notes to go with, and that's absolutely fine. And when you're ready, continue the video and check the answers for your tasks. And here they are. Okay. You already know that this clock is showing 25 to 5. Here we are showing 1:15. Here we are showing 10 past 10. And this final clock is showing 5 minutes past 6. Good stuff. This is my best attempt with my times and my hands for 10 past 8. Good stuff. And 20 to 3. Okay. The time is showing 12:15. This is showing 7:45. How did you get on with those? Good stuff. Right, some more tasks. Now let's work through this together. Okay, so again, pop your date on there, 25.2.21, and the title, time. Now again, think about my clock here. We're going to continue the table for telling time to 5 minutes. And what's really helping us is maybe thinking about our times tables and looking at the clock as well to help us. So pop that heading, minute hand pointing to, and then in the next part, minutes past the hour. Okay, and let's work through it together. So first thing you can put in 1, when the minute hand's pointing to 1, it's 5 minutes past the hour. Minute hand pointing to 2, it's 10 minutes past the hour. Minute hand pointing to 3, it's 15 minutes past the hour. Ready? Let's keep it going. 4, pointing to 4, 20 minutes past the hour. Pointing to 5, 25 minutes past the hour. Pointing to 6, 30 minutes past the hour. Pointing to 7, 35 minutes past the hour. Pointing to 8, 40 minutes past the hour. Pointing to 9, 45 minutes past the hour. Turning over the page a bit more. So again, just a few more. If your page isn't big enough, we need to make a new heading like me, that's absolutely fine. But again, we've got the 10, pointing to 10, 50 minutes past the hour. Pointing to the 11, 55 minutes past the hour. Pointing to 12, 60 minutes. Okay, 60 minutes past the hour, a new hour is upon us. What does it remind you of? I agree, the 5 times tables. Okay, you can see how they really start to join in together and just really kind of that connection. You can begin to see how telling the time, the 5 times table really do go hand in hand, and they really can help you if you need them. So let's think about our friends here and their talking time. Who is correct? Can you explain your answer? They're trying to explain what this clock's saying. Laura thinks it is 10 to 1. Amir thinks it is 10 past 10. Alex thinks it is 10 to 2. So who is correct? Can you explain your answer? Again, feel free to use my clock or page 54 to help if you need it. Challenge to finish. 4 lots of 5 minutes is the same as 1/4 of an hour. Do you agree with Rosie? Can you explain why? Fair enough. Show me. And then come back for the answers.